Guten Tag, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to be making one of the most popular drinks in Germany, the Absolut Lemon. Great fresh basil aroma, which really adds to the lemon flavor that we're getting from the bitter lemon, amplified by the flavor of Absolut vodka to really make everything more pronounced. Also, we want to see all of your creations and all of your experimentations on social. Don't forget to tag at Absolut Vodka and hashtag Absolut Drinks. Okay, so let's get into it and make the Absolut Lemon. Really easy 2-ingredient drink. We're gonna heighten it up with a couple of pretty garnishes for you. Usually, we always say start with your cheapest ingredient first, but because we've only got 2 ingredients, we're gonna start directly with our Absolut vodka, the hero of the drink. We're actually gonna add the vodka and then top up with our mixer. You know the magic number by now, guys. It's 45 ml, like so. At this point, we're gonna ice up the glass. Now the exact recipe calls for 150 ml. Let's measure it out and see where this glass takes us. So that's 1, that's 100. It calls for 150 ml, but we actually just put in basically 120. And the reason why I'm showing you that is just because with drinks like this, you don't really need to stipulate the amount of mixer you're putting in there. Because if we were to put 150 ml into this glass, with the amount of ice that's in it, we're just gonna get a spill. So now we wanna make this look all pretty. We're gonna go with a lemon. We're cutting it directly in the middle. We're gonna take it like so and get this little wedge. We're gonna stick that in like that. Hopefully it's not gonna sink to the bottom. And we're gonna elevate this with a little bit of basil. We've got this nice strong stem here. We've got a beautiful sprig going on right here. So we're just gonna snap off that and we're gonna add that to our drink right there. And then, as you know, herbs are an aroma. So we wanna make sure the straw is directly next to the garnish. And there we have it, the Absolut Lemon, guys. Absolut vodka and bitter lemon soda, what can go wrong?